What up, YouTube? It's your boy Rico. I thought I'd do you guys a little room tour. I'm staying at the Quality Inn, and I'm paying $50 for this room with a queen bed. Here's my little bathroom area. Here I am in the mirror. Check out that fit. Dodger cap, Nike shirt, Apple Watch. Over here in the corner, we got a little coffee maker with some tea, some napkins. We got 2 servings of decaf, 2 servings of regular coffee. Then they gave me some lotions, some conditioners, and some shampoos. Then I'm using this cup because I want to set my soap on the dirty counter, so I put in one of the cups. And then I got my other cup right there for my for my ice. And I don't know what that is. That is, I'm thinking like a little trash can. I didn't touch that. It looks dirty. Here are all my clothes hanging up. You know, not all of them, most of them. Then they gave me a little ironing board with the iron. Then I got some TV running. They did have some fridges in the room, which is pretty cool. I have some smart water right there for my drinking water. Then I have this little bottle of water for my sesh water to put in my rig. I'm thinking this is a little freezer on top. That's pretty cool. And then right here is a microwave. And, you know, I have my laptop right there, phone plugged in. Here's a little thing they gave me. I'm right here. The lobby is over here. Pool's right here. I get free breakfast from 6 to 9. I gotta check out by 11, so that's kind of the worst part. Free Wi-Fi though, and the pool's open from 7 to 10. I did try to do some laundry, which is in that bag they let me use, but the laundry they have here is only open from 8 to 10, so it's not open all night. It is. Let me see if I can pull it up. 4:25 in the morning. No, I haven't went to bed yet. I'm gonna get to bed soon because I'm gonna get up soon and run. But yeah, there's the phone right there. Lights, my bed. Don't mind my microfiber, and there's some invoices for my Etsy shop I got to ship out. My pillow, lotion, and some swim trunks and stuff. Then they did give me a safe down there. Here's the restroom. The water was decent. I did take a shower already. My shampoo and body wash. Towels are alright. They both had stains on them. I noticed it, but whatever. I did get this last minute because of a certain situation, but hey, it's a pretty good deal for $50. I could have got a couple other rooms for $40, but decided this one. This one had a good deal. There's my car over there, and there's this guy leaving finally, I guess. But yeah, guys, that is the room tour of the Quality Inn with a queen bed. Let me try to do a background shot. So yeah, it's pretty good for the price. Let me see if I can open up. Car. Yeah, wow, damn, it's already 4:30. Try to go to bed for an hour and then wake back up, go for a run, eat, then crash back out, then wake back up to go DoorDash. But you guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
There's no answer and you call twice. Nobody be at my house. I was at the studio all night. Last night I slept on the couch. I might Wake up, do it all again. There's a world going crazy outside, but